Hello students. Okay, yesterday we discussed the formula of the NPR and NCR. Okay, what is the formula for NPR? That is a NPR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is object repetition is not allowed. Okay, and the repetition is allowed means that is we are taking n power r. Okay, now one theorem is there. Today we will discuss on that theorem. Okay, that theorem is the number of permutations of n objects. Now the number of permutations of n objects in that p1 objects are one kind. Okay, the permutation number of permutation of n objects in that or in which p1 objects of one kind and p2 objects are of second kind and so on up to pk objects are of kth kind and rest are different. Okay, for this the permutation number of permutation is n factorial divided by p1 factorial of one kind means we have to divide that one p1 factorial into, okay, and p2 of another kind, that is p2 factorial and so on up to pk factorial. This is the formula for this type of objects. Okay, the permutation, the number of permutations, how to find the number of permutations of n objects in which p1 objects are of one kind, p2 objects are of second kind and so on up to pk objects are of kth kind. Okay, that is equals to n factorial divided by p1 factorial into p2 factorial and so on up to pk factorial. Well, ಎಷ್ಟು repeats ಇದಾವೆ, repetitions ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, for example good. Okay, this word is there. Okay, in this word o the letter is repeated two times. Okay, how to arrange this one? Okay, arrangement of ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು arrangement ಇದೊಂದು ಆಯ್ತು. This ಇಲ್ಲಿ naming ceremony O1 and O2. now ಇಲ್ಲಿ name ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ O1 and O2 for our kind. Okay, for our convenience. Okay, next with arrangement good ದಲ್ಲಿ O1 O2 is there and again O2 O1 D ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, next arrangement ಈ O1 O2 G D ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. next ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ arrangement O2 O1 G D ಅಂತ. Okay, again G O1 D O2 or G O2 D O1 like this. Okay, and again D O1 O2 G D O2 O1 G like this. Again next arrangement ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, etc. ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ arrangement same. Okay, so therefore we use this formula. Okay, and we'll see one example, then we'll come to know. Okay, the number of permutation of the word Allahabad. Okay, in this word how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 letters. letters are there. In that different kinds are there. Okay, the same kind irodu yavu ye ye how many times repeat agide? 4 times ide ye. In that a is here 4 a's are there, 4 a's, and again l 1 2 l's are. Okay, in this word a is 4 times and l is 2 times. Next, how to find the permutation? By using that formula. N is a 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so the number of permutation of this is 9 factorial divided by p1 factorial into p2 factorial up to pk factorial, the different kind. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ repeat ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? a repeat. How many times? 4 times. That is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. That is clear. So this is the answer. Okay, next ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ next ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವಂದ್ರೆ I will take another one example. Next one, here one example is there. Okay, find the number of arrangement of the letters of the word independence. Okay, in the independence, do the words start with p? Do the words start with p? How many words will be there? Okay, ಅದೊಂದು arrangement ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Next, all the vowels occur together. All the vowels occur together. Vowels are there e 4 times there, and again I one is there. For I is there, for e is there, and one I is there. Okay, do the word always vowels occur together. Okay, and another one question is there. Do the word all the vowels never occur together. Never occur together. Okay, and last question. Do the words start with I and end in p, like that. Okay, first the arrangement. The arrangement of this word first. Total number of arrangement. Total number of arrangement is how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 letters are there. There are 12 letters. 12 objects are there. Okay, and is there any repetition of the letters? Yes, e 4 e's are there. 4 e's. Okay, and n 1 2 3 n's are there. 3 n's, and again d 2 d's are there. 2 d's. The total number of arrangement. Okay, previous problem, that is n factorial divided by p1 factorial, p2 factorial, so pk factorial. Here total number of objects are 12. Okay, 12 factorial divided by the repetition of the letters are there. E 4 e's are there. That is the 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, repetition idre divide ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ number of permutations or number of arrangements. Total number of arrangement is this 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, next one question. Do the word start with p. Do the word start with p. Okay, start with p. First block alli ನಾವು first place alli ನಾವು p fill ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, next remaining 11 place alli now just fill up in how many ways you can fill the letters. Okay, remaining how many letters are there? 11 letters are there. Okay, remaining 11 letters. In that again 4 e's are there. 4 e's, 3 n's, and 2 d's. Okay, the other mean first place ಅಲ್ಲಿ is a fix. Okay, next in 11 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ arrangement ಹೇಗಿದೆ? remaining ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 11 letters are there. ಆ 11 letters ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 e's are there, 3 n's and 2 d's are again same like this. 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the arrangement of this is the first question. Okay. Next, do the word start with, sorry, do the word, the vowels always occur together. Vowels always occur together. Vowels always occur together means vowels are E, 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 always occur together. Okay. These two vowels are there. E is 4 times and I is 1 time. Okay. We have to treat this as single object. One object under our treat. Okay, because it's always occur together. Okay. So remaining how many letters are there? Out of 12, 5 are remaining 7 letters. 7 letters plus this one single object, that is 8 letters. There are 8 objects. In that ಇದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 3 n's and 2 d's. Okay, in that 3 n's 2 d's. Okay, again the permutation is 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, and again ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಗಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, again this followed by this arrangement. Okay, the arrangement of this one also. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, e ಆಮೇಲೆ e I e e e ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋದು, ಅದೇ e I e e like that ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5 ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 4 ಈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 4 ಈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ therefore 5 factorial divided by into this one 4 factorial. This is the arrangement of the word, letters of the word. The vowels always occur together. Okay, never occur together is the question. Never occur together. Never occur together means vowels occur together ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ಆಕರ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆವರ್ ಆಕರ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ನೆವರ್ all the ovals never occur together is total number of arrangement, that is 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial minus this one 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Okay, this is all the over never occur together. This is all the ovals occur together. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸತಿ ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ how many ovals are there? 5 ovals, right? Okay, including e is repeated 4 times. Only 2 ovals are there. E 4 times repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 I is there. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, treat as a single object. Except these 5 letters, how many letters are there? Out of 12 letters, 7 letters. 7 letters plus this single object, that is 8 letters. 8 letters. In that again 3 n's are there and 2 d's are there. 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Again ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Out of 5 letters again 4 e's are there divided by 4 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. This is the arrangement of the letters of the word in which all the vowels are occur together. Okay, so here this one. Next question is all the vowels never occur together. Never occur together means we have to subtract this occur together, the arrangement, number of arrangement of the letters of the word. The vowels are occur together from the total number of arrangement. 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial minus this one. You will get a never occur together arrangement. Okay, next to ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ last question ಇದೆ, that is do the words start with I's. Do the words start with I and end in P. End in P means what? Total number of letters are 12. Okay, first place I ಗೆ fix ಆಯ್ತು and last place P ಗೆ fix ಆಯ್ತು. Remaining how many places are there? Remaining 10 places. 10 places ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು out of 10 letters except I and P because these are already fixed in first and last place. Okay, now what about the arrangement? How many places are there? 10 places. Remaining letters 10 letters. Okay, 10 letters adralli in that remaining letters, remaining 10 letters in that 4 is 3 n's again 2 d's. Okay, again repetition is there, so therefore the total number of arrangement is 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, this is the arrangement of the given word. Okay, so ee type of problems irutte. Linge next object alli repetitions of the letters andre repetition of objects idre ee formula is known, that is n factorial divided by p1 factorial of one kind, p2 factorial of another kind, and so on up to pk factorial of another kind divided by adanna divide ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, okay, next ಈ type problem ಇರುತ್ತೆ. np5 equals to 42 into np3 where n is greater than 4. Okay, n is greater than 4. Find the value of n equals to question mark. Okay, how to find this one? You already know the formula of npr. Okay, np5 equals to 42 into np3. Therefore np3 here n in the place of r 3 is there. Okay, so therefore n factorial divided by n minus, it is 5, n minus 5 factorial equals to 42 into n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial. These two are cancelled. Now next 1 divided by n, keep as it is, n minus 5 factorial equals to 42 into 1 divided by, write this as a n minus 3. Okay, n factorial equals to what? N into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, or n minus 1 factorial, or n into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, like that. Okay, write this in the form of andre n minus 5 factorial bariyodu. We can't write in this form n minus 3 factorial. Okay, which one is less? This is a greater, this is a less. Okay, smaller. ಯಾವುದು greater ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, that is n minus 3 into n minus 4 into again n minus 5 factorial. You can write one less. Okay, n minus 3 into n minus 3 minus 1 factorial is n minus 4. Okay, or otherwise n minus 4, n minus 3 into n minus 4. Okay, and n minus 4 minus 1, that is n minus 5 factorial. Okay, these two are cancelled. Now which is equals to n minus 3 into n minus 4 equals to 42. So that is one. Sorry, multiply this with n square is n square minus 4n minus 3n, that is minus 7n. Okay, and minus 3 into minus 4, that is plus 12 equals to 42. That's equals to n square minus 7n. Okay, ikkada andre minus 42 agutte, minus 42 plus 12, that is minus 30 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Split this one, n square multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 7, sorry, add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 7 ಬರಬೇಕು, and multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 30. What are those two factors? That is n square minus 10n plus 3n. Okay, minus 10n plus 3n, that is minus 7. Okay, minus 10 into plus 3, that is minus 30. minus 30 equals to 0. N into n minus 10, n common next plus 3 common from the n minus 10 that is equals to 0. So therefore out of this 2 n minus 10 is common, that is n plus 3 equals to 0. Either n equals to 10 or n equals to minus 3. N equals to minus 3 is not possible. Okay. So therefore we have to take n equals to 10 only. Okay. The value of n is 10. Okay. Students, next combination. Combination formula, that is NCR. NCR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. By using this, some results are there, important results, that is NCN. NCN value is NCN. Okay. N factorial divided by, in the place of r, n is there, n minus n factorial. N minus n factorial into n factorial, which is equals to n factorial divided by n minus n factorial is 0 factorial into n factorial. What is the value of 0 factorial? 0 factorial is 1. 1 into n factorial is n factorial, and these two are cancelled, that is equals to 1. Okay. NCN equals to 1. And what about NC0? NC0, which is equals to n factorial divided by n minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial equals to n factorial divided by n minus 0 is n, outside side is n factorial, is n factorial into 0 factorial, again like this comes. So therefore this is value 1. These two are cancelled, so equals to 1. So therefore again NCN and NC0 equals to 1. Okay. So therefore NCN equals to NC0. Okay. Now NC1 equals to n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial into n 1 factorial. Then 1 factorial means 1 only. So therefore n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial, n minus 1 factorial. So therefore these two are cancelled, equals to n. NC1 equals to n. Okay. Next two. Again here NC n minus r equals to NCR. Okay. NC n minus r equals to NCR. How? So here n factorial divided by n minus of n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial, which is equals to n factorial divided by n minus of minus n, means it is these two are cancelled, minus minus plus, this is r factorial into n minus r factorial. So therefore this is a NCR. Okay. NC n minus r equals to NCR. Okay. These are the results. And again one theorem is there, that is if NCA equals to NCB, if NCA equals to NCB, then A equals to B or A plus B equals to N. Okay. NCA equals to NCB, then either A equals to B or A plus B equals to N. Okay. Here for this one example is there, NC9 equals to NC8, find NC17, they given. Okay. NC9 equals to NC8 is there, NC9 equals to NC8, NCA equals to NCB. Okay. Either A equals to B or A plus B equals to N. But here N is not equals to, 9 is not equals to 8. Okay. This is not possible here. So next possibility is A plus B equals to N. That is 9 plus 8 equals to 17. Okay. This is equals to N. Okay. So therefore then The value of n is 17, so therefore 17c 17. NCN is what? NCN is 1 only, so therefore 7c 17 is equals to 1. Okay. Again, one more identity is there, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. Okay, proof is not necessary here. Okay, NCR plus the NCR example here. Okay, class L. Next NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. This is another identity. Okay, we'll move to one example here. Okay, here one question is there. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? Okay, one question. And another question, how many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? Okay, first question is how many ways you can select. Okay, only selection. And second question, in this selection, this is consist of 1 man and 2 women. Okay, first question. In how many ways we can select this one? 3 persons out of 2 men and 3 men. Total number of persons are there 5 persons. 5 persons. Okay, we have to select the 3 persons. Okay, that is by 5C3 ways. 5C3 ways. You know already the formula, that is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. That's equals to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial is 2 factorial into 3 factorial, which is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 factorial cancels, and again 2 ones are 2. That is equals to 10. 10 ways of now 3 persons select model out of 5 persons. Okay. The second question. What is the second question? ಈ 3 persons ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 person ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು 1 man and 2 person that is woman. Okay, they give given here 2 men and 3 women. Okay, so next question, how to select that? We can select 2 men. Okay, we can select, we have to select 3 persons. Okay, in these 3 persons they said 1 man and 2 women. Okay, we have to select 1 man out of 2 men. We have to select 1 man out of 2 men. That is in 2C1 ways. 2C1 ways. And next 2 women can be selected. 2 women can be selected out of 3 women. That is in 3C2 ways. 3C2 ways. Okay. So therefore total number of ways is total number of ways is 2C1 into 3C2, which is equals to 2 factorial divided by 2 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial equals to 3 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, this is 2C1, that is NC1 is already 2, NC1 is n only, so therefore 2C1 is 2 only into 3C2. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, this is the 2 factorial, that is 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, this is equals to 6. 2 into 3 equals to 6. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss some objective question.